you're talking to somebody you don't know anymore, 'cause we ain't done that video in a while. We've been down here in a while, to be quite honest with you. We got this thing ready 2 weeks ago. Rained out, and it should have been sitting here. We ain't been down here. So anyway, car is almost. We've got to replace some gaskets. Still got a little bit of a water leaking around that little thermostat thing. I think's where it is. But he's got some gaskets. We're gonna replace those, and then we're gonna load this pig up, back trailer in the shop, and we'll be ready for racing tomorrow. So plans tomorrow is to race at Xtreme Speedway. It's a big factory stock race for 604s, which is us. It's just a regular race, it's just a normal paying race, I should say. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Xtreme Speedway, if you're in that area, come out. Because Lord knows when we'll get to race next. This rain has been, we ain't racing over a month. I think we've raced like 2 times this year, maybe 3 times this year. Sometimes you have those years, and quite frankly, I'm not super mad about it, considering I'm huge. So, but anyway, we'll get this thing fixed up and then get it loaded on the trailer. That's where we're at. So what's going on? Nothing exciting going on right now at the Bradbury Racing Stables. It just has been slow around here. So let's get to work and see if we can get this thing loaded up sooner rather than later. All right, so getting started. Got one fender off, working on that one. Chris is getting the battery charger on. Come on, cat. You got a meowing cat, anybody want her? She's fertile. Only had 14 litters. Get, go. Alright, so he's replacing that gasket like I told you he was. I think that's the culprit.
I'm pretty sure it was, because it was just cheap gaskets that came with a spacer.
There's nothing on there. On top.
Those gaskets had some sticky stuff on them, like kind of glue them down.
Quit, baby.
I'm gonna go with Velcro.
Velcro usually don't let you down. What it was?
I took the that's not protective film, that's some kind of glue or something.
This will go where we paved it.
Something that didn't glue very well? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the guys are changing the gear. Now we wasn't on the right gear when we went to Moulton last time, if you remember that from that video. So they're changing the gear to get us where we need to be. Track will probably be very similar to what it was the last time we were over there, because we had a lot of rain that week too. So we bought some new gears. Hopefully we'll be good on gears this time. All right guys, so got the gear changed there. Fixing to get the tires loaded up. Fixing to run over. Fixing to get the tires loaded up, then get the car loaded up, and then get the back trailer back into the shop and unhook it for the night. That's the best thing about this open trailer, is it's perfect size for it. No baby. It's the perfect size to go right in the trailer. Alrighty, guys and gals. We got the trailer loaded. And now to back it back in the shop. Alright guys, so that's gonna finish us up for today. Trailer's in there, unhooked. We will see you guys tomorrow at Xtreme Speedway. I keep wanting to call it Moulton, but it used to be Moulton, now it's Xtreme Speedway. We'll see you there Saturday, May 31st. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think. Thanks to all of our partners, Warp Speed Performance Parts, Apparel Co, Brinn Transmission, Gorsuch Performance, BB Designs, Penske Racing Shocks. Thanks to all of those guys that make every bit of this possible. I know I probably left one or two out, and I apologize. My brain's not braining, hadn't been for a while. But we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you back soon.